Welcome, here I've got Motorola Razr 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings, and here we have the leveler option. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. For now let me keep this turnet on. Let's go back to the camera, and as you can see it shows us this line here. This is useful for example when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture, and as you can see this is how it works here. And of course when you don't need this you can easily go back to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the capture settings, tap on this button. So for now this is turned off, and as you can see the leveler has gone here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.